this section, we're going to focus on how you can nourish your body through exercise and through really great nutrition, through water, through healthy supplements like your prenatal vitamins to make sure that your body is strong and so ready for childbirth and all that comes after that. So one of the most important things you can do for your body moving into childbirth is to strengthen your labor muscles. So have you heard of Kegels? They are so important on this journey. And not only will they make your labor easier, they will also help you have better orgasms, better urinary control, which is very important after baby. And again, in general, they will just make your birth so much easier. So all you need to do a Kegel is to envision that you're stopping the flow of urine when you're peeing. So you're essentially pulling up all those pelvic floor muscles. I'm doing it right now. You pull it up, 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 up. Hold it tight, hold it for 10 seconds, and then fully release. And that release is one of the main things that I actually want you to focus on. Because what happens for so many women is they focus on the pulling up and the tightening, and they get incredibly strong pelvic floor muscles, but they don't know how to relax them and release them. And that's what you want to be doing during birth. You want to be fully releasing and relaxing your pelvic floor so baby can just slide right out. So meditate on that when you're releasing and relaxing. What does that feel like for you? How are you doing that? Become a pro at, again, strengthening those muscles, but also fully releasing and relaxing them. So when you dive into prenatal exercise, so often women think, oh my gosh, my body is so fragile now. I have to completely change my exercise regime. And you don't. For the most part, you can continue to exercise the way that you did, and you can do what you like, with the exception of anything that puts your belly in danger of any blunt force trauma. So if you're on a soccer league, maybe take a break. Maybe just go and watch the games. And if you never did much exercise before you became pregnant, you can start slow. You can start to incorporate exercise into your life. But again, just be gentle with yourself. Start with long, slow walks. Go swimming for half an hour a day. Be gentle with yourself all the time, tuning into that intuition that we talked about and listening to what it's saying. Is it saying, oh, this feels really, really good for me and baby? Or is it telling you that you're pushing yourself a little bit too far and you need to take a step back? So tune in to your exercise intuition during this time, making sure to not just stop all physical movement, but to take it slow. Take those baby steps. One thing that you're doing by regularly exercising throughout your entire pregnancy is you're training your body to release endorphins. So what are endorphins? They are your body's natural relaxant that when flowing through your body, they can be over 200 times as powerful as morphine. 200 times as powerful as morphine. And they don't just make you feel good, but they also flush out your stressor hormones, your catecholamines. So the more you exercise, the easier it becomes for your body to release those endorphins. Have you ever heard of that runner's high? After somebody goes for a run, they almost feel high. They feel so incredible. That is going to begin happening to you each and every time you exercise. And then what will happen is when you go into childbirth, your body will know exactly what to do to make you feel better. And it will just flood you continuously with endorphins throughout your entire childbirthing experience. And there's no limit to how many endorphins can flow into your body. They just continue to build upon themselves, making you feel better and better and better. So start training those endorphins by exercising even just a little bit each and every day.